Manufactured consent. Manufactured consent, it's not just a phrase. It's a powerful mechanism used by corporations, governments, and media to shape public opinion and behavior. We know companies manipulate us. They spend billions to engineer the perfect image, crafting emotions, reactions, and desires that feel like our own. They don't just sell products. They sell belonging, identity, a worldview. But here's the thing. It's not just corporations. It's not just politicians. It's everyone. Small businesses, influencers, even you. We curate our social media profiles, filter our photos, fine-tune our words. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, to the billboards we pass, to the news we consume, it's all carefully constructed, and it works. These messages seep into our subconscious, shaping our thoughts and actions in ways we barely notice. We like to think we're immune, that we see through the BS. But the truth, we're all susceptible to a well-told story. A celebrity endorses a product, and suddenly it feels more trustworthy. A glowing review convinces us that restaurant is worth the hype. So ask yourself, are you truly in control of your own thoughts? Or are you just following a script laid out for you long before you even realized? Corporate spin doctors. Corporations are masters of manipulation. To win our loyalty, they don't just sell products. They sell stories crafted to appeal to our emotions, desires, and fears. They hire branding experts, PR firms, marketing psychologists, and others, all working to engineer trust. They pour millions into market research, studying our habits, anxieties, impulses. And then, they exploit that knowledge. They create stories, not just sales. Think about Apple. Their marketing isn't about gadgets. It's about creativity, innovation, and belonging. Nike's Just Do It campaign, it's not about sneakers. It's about determination, greatness, pushing beyond limits. They don't sell products, they sell aspirations. And in the digital age, corporations don't just broadcast their message. They humanize themselves. What about trust? That's the most valuable currency in the world. Life's a pitch. But here's the kicker. It's not just corporations. We do it too. We curate our online personas, crafting polished versions of ourselves for the world to see. We choose the most flattering photos. Share only the highlights. Craft captions that make us seem wittier, smarter, more interesting. We want to be liked, admired, maybe even envied. Social media has become our personal PR platform. And just like corporations, we sell an image. Because in the digital age, perception is reality. But here's the unsettling part. Even we start to believe our own PR. We scroll through our own curated lives and think, this is who I am. But is it? We smooth out our rough edges, edit away imperfections, and polish the cracks. That is until even we forget what's real. We become actors in our own self-made commercials, performing a version of ourselves that we hope the world will accept. And over time, that version of us, the brand, the persona, the projection, it starts to feel more real than the person behind it. The science of seduction. So why do we fall for it? Why are we so easily swayed? The answer? Our brains are wired for it. Take the halo effect. When we perceive someone as attractive, we assume they're also intelligent, kind, competent, even if there's no evidence. We see a celebrity endorsing a product, and we don't just evaluate the product. We absorb their status, their success, their desirability. And then there's brand loyalty. We humans are creatures of habit. Once we love something, we stick with it. Brands become part of our identity. And companies, they exploit it. You can bet on that. And most of us, we don't even realize it's happening. But understanding these tactics, that's the first step. Because once you see the strings, you can't unsee them. And the question remains, are you in control? Or are you just another carefully managed perception? But subscribing, that is entirely your choice. Or is it?